Okay, so we've got Leanne working on some shoulder blade control. So she starts in the back position, and as she comes up, we're rolling the shoulder, we're letting the elbow come up and over, and we're getting protraction and a nice big reach. And then she reverses that motion, the elbow comes high, we watch the trap come down away from the ear again. Really, really nice job, Leanne. Okay, so up, reach over, let the thumb roll down towards the floor, really stretch through that upper body, and then reverse the motion, down, tuck the elbow in tight and roll the wrist up to the sky. So yeah, roll your hand even, your hand to, yeah. Okay, and back forward again. Yeah, nice big reach. Go back down, all the way down.